Hierdie program word geborg deur DigiCards.
Hallo daar, baie welkom weer by nog 'n uitsending van Hart en Siel van die Tuinroete. Ons is vandag by 'n plek wat 'n ernstige hart en siel vir my is. Ons is by die Youth Cafe hier in Grootbrak. En ons het hierso vir Latasha. Baie welkom op die program, Latasha. And I'm going to go over into English. Latasha is going to show us all about the Youth Cafe here.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for coming.
And are we going to go and see what
let's
you
go. Let
have
me
to
show you
offer?
around.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to Wonderful SA.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
this is Wonderful SA. Over there we have reception.
Wonderful essay.
Yes.
What is that? Tell me about why
Wonderful
you say
SA is, where do I start? There's so much to say about this place. But basically, in a nutshell, this is a safe space for young people, right? It's a place where we want to bring you closer to who you should be and your purpose, right? God has given us all a purpose, so we want to bring you closer to that. So find your identity in Him, right? We do that through a lot of programs, such as the trainings we have in our lecture rooms, unofficial meetings we have with students, or it could be anyone, doesn't matter the age, but obviously we work with the youth. We also have a coffee hub over there. I can just take you there.
Let's go and look what's going on here. This is lovely.
Yes.
This is for the public as well?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. So
Yes.
people can just come and have a cup of coffee
They can
here?
have a cup of coffee, but it's not about the coffee, it's the conversations that you can have with us, right? So we can tap in with one another, find out where you are, who you are, what you need, and then we take it from there.
So now I need to check with you. So
Yeah.
you have young people out there, they hear about the center,
Yeah.
they walk through this door, what happens? How do you know what it is that he has that should be uplifted?
We find out. We have to ask
in
questions.
other words, so there are questions, you sit down with them, you have conversations with them. Tell us a little bit about the process, how they end up, we can hear the music coming through
Yes.
the door here, and that's my exciting
Yes.
part, is that you're teaching children how to do music, how to come here and be a musician,
Yes.
or like next door, or with computers. I think that is so brilliant. Tell us the intake of a student when he comes
So
here.
it's very less formal, right? So it's
Okay.
based on relationship. You come in here, you meet Royston over there. He's an exciting character to
And a
meet.
lovely
He
guy.
will welcome you in here and then introduce you to whoever needs to work with this person. Then we're like, oh, okay, we relate in a certain way, right? Oh, you have a talent. How can we help you with that? Okay, you want to learn a skill. Are you coming to make copies? Are you looking for a job? And then we find out more as we build the relationship. As time goes, we find out, okay, let's go to the studio if you're talented like that. Or if you need anything from the e-center, it's right here. If you need any research done, any tasks that you need to do for high school, any job applications and CVs you need to do, those
Is there
are
any
people.
qualification that they leave with after here? Is it all just technical? In other words, they get a practical.
It's a lot of practicals, but it's not accredited certificates that we get.
Not a problem.
But we
You're
do
setting
give them
them
to
up.
you. Yes, we give them to them, and that helps with your job readiness.
I was
right?
going to say, so you
Yes.
even help sometimes with job
Yes.
search.
Let me take you to the e-center.
Okey-doke,
I just want to
let's see
show you a
what they
quick
do
one.
here.
So Althea, this is the e-center, right? It's part of the municipality.
Okay.
But they do a lot of work for our youngins.
What has the
Simone
municipality
Drake.
got to do with this? Is it there?
So it's theirs. This is Western Cape government based, right?
Okay, I see it's got
Yes,
the signs
so
everywhere.
everything in here is free to the community. You can come in here, you can sit at a computer, obviously with the help of the management over here, and they assist kids with their research that they need, tasks that they need to do, or any studying, any help that they might need.
School kids as well?
Yes, extra activities if they
Of course.
for school, right? And over there we have the business corner. So if you have a business or it has to be more formal pertaining to your job, you
Sure.
can sit over there. There's a privacy section for you and you can just have your time there, whether it be a meeting or anything you have to do regarding your job.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
But now I'm excited to see the music room.
Let me take you. Let's go. Let me show you paradise.
Ooh, tot 'n rekordmasjien.
Yes.
Awesome.
Als van als. Any creative would be so mad at this, would be
Isn't it just you don't expect it at
You don't.
all.
Not in a building like this.
No,
But when you come into this, you experience the
no.
color, you
I think
experience
that
the flavor, and just
fantastic.
the people's personalities coming out in here.
Oh, wow. And you have all the okay, and this is your sound recording.
Yes, that's
En
the
jou
booth.
drummetjies is ook apart hier.
Yes.
Wow, mense.
So this is all free to the community. if we find out you have a singing talent, a songwriting talent, a DJing talent, you name it, anything that has to do with music, we invite you in the space.
Natasha, isn't that a big
It
thing
is-
with
it is
your
amazing.
community to sing
It
and
is
to do
amazing.
music?
And just to experience that, because I've been on the other side as well. I've been an artist and I came in here and this became home to
just
me.
exploded.
Yes, exactly.
It's so amazing. And it's free?
It's free.
And they can
They
just
can
come
just
and
come
learn,
in here,
and
have a
all the
conversation with
instruments
us.
and stuff is here?
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
I just think this is just the most amazing place. Do you have a
Truly
lot
is.
of kids that are making use of this? Is it coming to its full, or do you still
I think
need
we
to
have
push a bit harder?
a set amount right now, but we're trying to still get young kids to come in here, especially kids from the high school, right?
Introducing them at least to
Yes.
the possibility for later.
Exactly. So
I
that
think
they-
that is so amazing.
Yeah.
That is so amazing.
we want them to experience this before making the decision to go off to university or taking a job.
Which
so
is
we can
also
invest
so
in your
costly. Find out what if you
Exactly.
really want to do it before
Yes.
you go and waste your mom's money or
Yes,
your
and we
dad's
just
money.
coach them. We find out who they are, and we invest in that. And we
And you can see
empower
the joy.
them.
You can
Exactly.
see the joy and doing what you're born to do. Eh?
Exactly.
Ons kuier nou by een van die ouens wat Youth Café hier in Grootbrak begin het. Janus, baie welkom op
Baie
ons
dankie.
program. Jy het ons nou so 'n bietjie van 'n oorsig gegee. Waar die idee vandaan
Ja.
kom, hoe het julle dit begin doen en wat jou
Ja.
passie is.
Ja, so in 2015 het 'n paar van ons bymekaar gekom. En net met so 'n bietjie harte gedeel. En ons het toe tussen dit alles deur het ons met die Mosselbaai munisipaliteit en die Wes-Kaapse departement van sosiale ontwikkeling het ons, jy weet, bietjie mee te doen gekry en ons het hulle die Youth Café konsep kom al 'n redelike lang tyd saam met die departement van sosiale ontwikkeling. Hulle het dit in Noorwe of Swede iewers het hulle dit in die vroeë 2010s gaan haal. En so ons is een van ek dink 12 of 13 youth cafés in die provinsie. Elkeen het sy eie flavour en sy eie, jy weet, dinamiek en sy eie spesialiteit. Ons is op die grond en jy weet so ons weet wat die gemeenskap waarmee ons werk nodig het. 'n Paar van hulle is in Mitchells Plain of jy weet in die groot stedelike dele. Ons is nou so 'n bietjie meer plattelands of plaaslik. En so dis ander uitdagings en ander, jy weet, voordele en nadele wat daarmee saamkom. So
Wat is jou agtergrond? Wat julle is nou 'n span van 3, soos jy genoem het.
dis reg, so ons is
Vertel
3
my 'n bietjie
direkteure.
van julle, hoe het julle
Ja,
besluit
so
dat hierdie
ons is 3 direkteure op hierdie oomblik. So ek het 'n regs- en 'n finansiële agtergrond. My kollega wat die sentrum bestuur, sy kom van binnelandse sake af. Sy het 'n human resources agtergrond. Maar baie passievol, sy's 'n regte activator, so sy
ons het gesien.
dis die
Jy
tipe
het
mense is baie
so
lekker
'n
om
fantastiese
saam mee te
team
werk.
hier.
Ja, dit
Yes.
maak my werk makliker.
En dan die derde persoon.
En die
het
derde
ons nou nog
persoon
nie
is nie,
ontmoet
hy is nou nie op die grond betrokke nie, dis nou maar meer om daai buite perspektief te kry. Dis John Cable. Hy boer met makadamias net so buite die dorp. Sy familie is al dekades in die omgewing, so hy ken die area goed. En hy het 'n agtergrond in hy het 'n kerk geplant in Engeland en 'n youth training center gedoen. En hy het ook 'n elektriese ingenieurs agtergrond en nou boerdery. So
En julle word deur die staat gesubsidieer
So,
of is alles
Toe ons
waai?
begin het, was soos 100% deur die Departement van Sosiale Ontwikkeling befonds. Deur die jare heen met befondsing snye, jy weet mense moet maar vooruit beplan. Het ons reg gekry om dit so stadig aan te verminder. So nou het ons 'n paar besighede wat ons aan die hand vat. Ons het individue wat ons aan die hand vat. Partykeer kry jy net iemand wat jy instap en jy weet ken hom van geen kant af nie en hulle wil dalk 'n donasie maak of 'n bydrae maak. Ons het 'n paar kerkinstansies wat ons ondersteun. Ons probeer ons eie fondse maar doen deur projekte of events.
Soos byvoorbeeld wat, as jy sê julle doen events en laat mense kan uitkyk vir hulle, wat se
so
events doen
ons het
julle?
een keer per jaar het ons 'n Mr and Mrs Youth Café. Dis
Ag, sweet.
jy weet, ja, dis 'n
Lovely.
gewilde ding.
Dis ook gemeenskap dan, né?
Gemeenskapsgebaseer, absoluut,
Dit
ja.
moet seker verskriklik
Ja,
fyn
nee,
wees.
dis altyd baie lekker.
Uh-huh.
Ons studiospan doen opvoerings, ons werk saam met
Regtig, so hulle gaan uit al.
Hulle
Daar's
gaan
van
uit.
hulle wat al sterk genoeg is om 'n
Ja,
band te
absoluut,
begin.
absoluut, ja.
Ag,
En ons werk saam met die Mosselbaai munisipaliteit as ons awareness campaigns doen oor substance abuse of service delivery.
dis
En
'n
dan bring ons
groot
'n
daai,
bietjie, jy weet dit sulke events kan bietjie ernstig raak, so dan bring ons so partykeer net so 'n bietjie gees en 'n bietjie pret
Daai
daarmee
goed is so
en dit maak
belangrik,
dit maak
Janus.
dit bietjie makliker.
Sê vir my, het julle julle eie, as jy nou sê julle doen roadtrips en sulke goed. Ek het hier 'n ding hier agter gesien en ek hoor julle het julle eie verhoogie op wat hulle kan opsit.
Dis reg.
So laaste vraag, kom ons vra so, hoe sien jy die toekoms van ons Youth Cafe hier by julle?
Ja, goeie vraag. Ek gaan dit probeer kort hou.
Daar's
Natuurlik, jy weet ons het gevind oor die laaste paar jaar, ons het baie organies gegroei. En dis die beste manier van groei.
Dis jou eerlikste manier ook, is wat
Absoluut,
regtig gebeur.
Absoluut. Jy
Correct.
weet ek het 'n agtergrond, ek dink gesê in regs en in finansiële en ek het so 'n bietjie gesien hoe die groot birokrasie kan so goed soos wat dit kan wees, dit kan ook
Net
jou
so sleg op.
gemeenskappe
Druk goed
nadelig
dood. Ja.
verseker. So nou het ons regtig 'n organiese 'n basis of fondasie en ek hoop om dit verder uit te brei. Jy weet ons het nou al tot in reg oor die tuinroete wat ons mee vennootskappe het met mense waarna ons kan gaan. Ons het juis 'n maand of 2 terug in 'n klein afgeleë plek in die Noord-Kaap, Olifantshoek,
Okay.
wat ons iemand wat deur ons program gekom het hierso vir 2 jaar wat soontoe getrek het as gevolg van
Dat was
jy weet sy
werk.
familieredes. En ons ondersteun hom nou
Oh, I see.
om aan daai kant 'n soortgelyke ding te begin, baie informeel.
Ek wou nou net vra, so
maar-
julle gaan kyk om nog youth
Absoluut.
cafés te stig. Ek
Dit
dink is
hoef nie noodwendig as
brilliant.
youth cafés te wees
Enigiets
As
in
dit kan
daai
wees,
rigting.
is dit, maar jy weet
Miskien so 'n bietjie die kunste, so 'n bietjie skilder,
Kunste
so 'n
is-
bietjie naaldwerkie.
Dis die trekpunt daai, absoluut. Jy
Absoluut,
weet
mense met die
ons sien
handjies.
soveel keer,
Totaal.
jy weet iemand kom hier in en hulle is bietjie onseker en 'n bietjie stil tot hulle in die studio
Daar's hy.
instap. En skielik is dit asof die mure afbreek en dis wat ons wil hê.
Is dit nie wat ons wil hê nie, totaal. Ons kan nie vir jou
Dis hy.
genoeg dankie sê nie, net vir jou tyd nie.
Nee, baie
Maar vir
dankie
wat
vir jou.
julle ouens hier doen vir ons gemeenskappe. It's the only way forward.
Ja, baie dankie. Dit
Baie
maak dit
dankie
maklik as
vir
jy
jou
'n goeie
tyd.
span rondom het.
Daar's
Ek is
absolutely,
dankbaar.
julle is so bevoorreg. Ag, anyway, maar verskriklik dankie vir jou tyd.
plesier.
Tosha, dit
Baie
was
dankie dat
so
jy
lekker
gekom
om jou te ontmoet en
Awesome.
you're definitely the girl for the job.
Come
Thanks
on.
for your
Love
time. Nou ja, toe julle daar hoor julle van die uitreike wat ons darma het in hierdie ou dorpies van ons. Gaan julle goed en ons sien julle 'n volgende keer. Totsiens.
Bye.